Yes. So, come on. Good morning, YouTubers. You can see I'm doing some fish, fried fish, brown stew, cabbage, fried fish. And I'm cutting up the season, onion, thyme, bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and carrot, and all these things. And this is some Maggi Jamaican season I put on it. And the fish season, I throw it in this bag of fish season. The Maggi, and I have them all, you know. To the bone, I put garlic, thyme, scallion. Yeah, so I'm putting in all these stuff. Okay, so I'm doing it. Yes, so I would like you to like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Auntie Claire do is cooking, Jamaican way of cooking, my cooking. Okay, yeah, yes. So catch me when I'm doing it, to share it, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. Auntie Claire way of cooking it. Please like, touch the notice button, get back to it. Delicious. And rice and peas. I'm gonna have rice and peas with it. You can see the rice and peas. You can see my rice and peas. Yeah, pretty rice and peas. Gongo rice and peas. Wow. Shelly rice and peas. Yeah, yeah. So like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Get to it right now. Don't forget it. Delicious. 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 I'm cutting it up right now. So be on the watch. And when I finish again to it, I'm gonna do some white rice with it too, and some French fried chicken. I get to it again. Thank you. Love you. Auntie Claire of Way cooking her scabbage fish. Again, get back to it. Yes? Parrot season. Yeah. So like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way you do it. Bim, I'm out.